Woo! Get her done! Hey guys, it's us again. We just made a video the other night on storms, and here we are having another freaky storm. The range has died down, and we're just looking at the lightning now. They've had a warning on the radio for our county, and they're just telling us, our mission president's wife just called us and told us that there's going to be a tornado predicted to hit downtown Benton in a few minutes. So we're just checking out the storm. Ooh, good flash. Check out the thunder out here. It's a lot different than back home. The storms are so awesome. Oh man, just missed that one. It's so crazy. Wow. I just love how it looks. This is the area south of us where they figure it's going to touch down, or about where you're looking. Looks like we'll be staying here in Bryant tonight.